stage upside down because the man I'm about to call on stage is no ordinary performer. When you talk about energy, it's all about him. Everybody make some noise on that from Scare Them Crew to International 106 South Park Billboard chart. Make some noise for Elephant Man. You see how you scatter. Hi guys. Big up all the foreigner man that went in here. When legal America. You may look at visa. What watch it?
In Reggae Songfest 2019, Montego Bay, are you ready? Are you ready? Get ready. Ladies and gentlemen, setting the energy guard. Somebody who is ready to rock the world. Elephant Man. Please help me welcome. Trouble. We need to pray for scatter. Psalm 91. This and a race of divine revelation. So don't stop now, come on. As you see, throughout history, it has been the inaction of those who could have acted and the indifference of those who should have known better. The silence of the just what the people masquerade them are fake. Just what the people masquerade. So festival of faith. When I dash when all we know.
You know the people them over this up, and cross this up, and round this up. But more say something. Big up all of the drum defense and now if you come in, let me see all of the people they will pay if you come in. Put your money in the air. What else on the best man? I say, I get the drum and I know the vibe. Put your money in the air. Everybody put up. Hey, come on. Put your money in the air. Festival, no one respect, give thanks to the gathering, yes? So ready for all our vibe in our surface, right? So you are going up. Raise your hands to the sky, the God that's still now. People in the back of surface, 2019. Check. Hey, rock, tell the man right there. If they would only leave us alone, what's up, hard over there? They would get back, man, I'm getting grass. I make me tell them, I tell them. I mean, you're not people. You don't know something like me as people. People be talking that time. Some of them are not people. They don't like friend Mr. Bonito. Think of people, they are not people. So them, plus I eat them Chinese success. Never know. I'm a little bit of casino. I be a hot girl, me a sleepo. Me girls don't know me gone and me sleepo. Go be the next man in Rico. Now some goes to Bonito. Me a man who I read about can't report. And I like some guy, real I got. Girls how we go. Some people say, if they would all learn. And sometimes, they wanna get back. I make me tell them, yeah, Russell.
Sherry. Oh, what, different? We can sing different? Alright, sing different. Yeah. It's me. That's how we do it, yeah? Ready? I keep it like that, then. Because we different, so we just different.
You now the light, you like to feel it. Bring down some wrong, you like to ring it. And we feel so high, you like to ring it. Somebody pause in your life to form the trees. And tell you you're just past the water breeze. You got risk when the frost because it freeze. Make people get us off the light to breeze. Long cause man now be tired anywhere we walk in. Brothy, anywhere we see the teeth. Shot, so you must see your teeth. So you don't have any teeth. Anybody go to the road. Maybe the people that buy, I'm pretty big life, but nobody can draw. We out. When you go all time, like it's always all time. What's the thing like that? What is mine? I don't know myself. And that's the right way of one day. We got to give thanks to life and all the blessings within the box. Somebody say, what do you Someone say, pronounce for 1 year. Deceased. I have returned. And all the ones money. Response to that. One thing I really do about. When you realize Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. Very success. Let's do it.
Yeah.
violence against ladies. When you go to a room and you want it rough. So she checked in the early morning. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, even Thursday morning. Right up the side of my bed, she wanted early morning. Friday, Saturday, last Sunday. Right up the Sunday. She wanted. Say.